Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to do simple and fresh makeup, especially this time of quarantine. If you want to go out, I really suggest that you need to be protected and as well as blooming pa rin. Polbo and lip tint to the level up ang peg. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. By the way guys, I'm Cykaniki. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. May paganon. So to start off, I will be, first things first, especially this pandemic, what we're going to do first is to protect our skin. And earlier, I already did cleanse my face, mist my face, and then do my skincare. This time, I will be putting on primer. This product is actually a day and night intensive cream, but then it is also said in their website that you can also use this as a primer. So gagamitin natin siya as a primer for today. You can use any primer. Quick Effects primer are affordable and very nice as well. So you can check it out. So ilalagay ko lang siya. Noted guys, I already prepared my skin. I already did my skincare and moisturizer, and let this moisturizer set on your face. Yan. And after this, you need to protect your skin from the high beam of the sun. So right now, I will be using this Cetaphil product, which has amazing SPF 50. Oh my god, super. Ilagay nyo to all over your face. Dab. Kailangan nyo talagang maging generous besh kasi it's better to protect your skin, especially when you're outside, diba? Don't forget your neck. Never underestimate a good SPF because it really helps your skin. It really protects. Itong Cetaphil guys, meron siyang sun SPF 50 plus UVB and UVA. Very high protection light gel, and it said it is for sensitive face and body, dermatologically tested, non-comedogenic, fragrance and paraben-free, broad spectrum, very water resistant. Oh my god. And then this is 50 ml. So it goes along the way. And you know naman, Cetaphil is very known for a brand known na gentle talaga sa skin. So we laid out our moisturizer, tapos na tayo sa ating skincare, tapos na tayo sa ating moisturizer, and tapos na tayo mag sunblock. So let it set, wait for it to set. And I'm not going to use foundation guys because this is a simple, yung nagmamadali na kayo, na ready na talaga kayong pumunta sa supermarket or pupunta somewhere, but be careful, extra careful. Okay? So, gagamitin ko is, I will just be putting a little tiny bit of this concealer on the area where I need a bit of parang fresh. Mind you guys, okay na ako kahit sunscreen sa panahon ngayon, pero yun nga, para fresh pa rin tayo always. Fresh naman ako yun. Ganon. So, tap, be careful guys ha, especially dito sa air area. Lalighten lang natin in a bit. Ganon. Lagyan natin ng konti ito, dito. Ano naman ganong ika-cover kasi maganda na yung skin ka. Check my skincare routine ha. Kasi I made a product review na talagang bonggang-bongga. Check nyo yon. And then, after that, ready na ako, nakapag-ano na ako, no? So, I will be setting it with a powder. Hindi na, isasalpak to, no? Sorry. Talaga, besh, this is your best friend for this pandemic. Tipid na, tapos maganda pa. So, this is the Johnson's baby powder. Kinuha ko talaga yung baby powder ng baby ko. Pero okay lang. Naiintindihan nila. At tayo din naman ng mga parents ang bumili nito. Okay. So, ilagay nyo lang dito. Basically, all over your face na. Pero maganda talaga if meron kang yung applicator. This is to eliminate yung shine sa mukha nyo. And looking fresh and baby face ka talaga after this. I tell you, na. Yung iba, diniretso na salpak, okay na. Pero sa akin, okay rin gumamit ng brush, pero wag nang maarte. If walang brush, wag nang maghanap ng brush. Lagyan nyo naman ang neck nyo, kasi naman, para siyang diba? Parang, diba? Fresh. Fresh na fresh. Ay, nako, dust everywhere. And after this, okay na tayo. So, ito na siya. After this, I would suggest na, magkilay naman kayo, besh. You need to have, a decent amount of kilay. Kasi, di ba, matatapakan to ng mask. So, kailangan nyo namang magkilay. And, ako, parang kilay queen, feeling. So, ang ginagawa ko sa kilay ko, very, very easy. Tail. Yung below the brow, then upper part of your brow, and then blend. Madali siyang ikilay. Ang dali niya kasi ang color niya is taupe, so madali talaga siyang sa mga eyebrows. Yan, tapos na tayo sa ating kilay. Next is the lip tint. So, yung pambato ko talaga matagal. But before naman kayo magli-lip tint, guys, lagay kayo ng lip balm and then let it set. Ito palang lip tint na to, guys. It's from Precious Skincare. It's a brand from a co-YouTuber, si Ate Cindy, and grabe, generous yung mga couple na yun, guys. Check them out. Konting-konti lang talaga nito. Talagang pack na pack. Hindi ko siya nilalagay ng diretso kasi super pigmented nito, guys. Nilalagay ko siya sa aking, hands. And then dito sa highest point. Aray, ano ba to? And then, i-blend. Blend. Kahit pink-pink na yung ko, guys. Blend pa rin. Yan. Madali lang naman talaga siyang i-blend. See the difference? Ganun. Drunk blush. Para hindi naman gaanong halata, no? Hindi gaanong halata ang ating beauty na meron pala tayong nilagay na salpakan nyo ng powder. Powder ulit. Sarap. Ang ating pack na simple, easy makeup paglalabas sa pandemic. Tapos nakamask lang pala, no? Okay lang. Pagtanggal naman ng wow, ang ganda pala ng babaeng to, bini-bini. Ay, nako, nauso na talaga yung bini-bini. And of course, hindi naman kayo lalabas na nakaganito, no? So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave all your comments down below. If you have questions, feel free, and bye bye for now. See you soon next video. Bye bye for now. Sarangye. Off, guys. May paganon. To start off, I will be... Bakit ganon?